Alright, the actual boss battle.
Okay. Fuck me! Alright, after this boss battle, I'll call it a night. Fuck this!
Introducing Beelzebub, Lord of the Flies, Prince of Hell, and God of Ekron.
Alright. Fucking Thule! I hate this! I hate this! I hate this! What am I supposed to do? No!
Not get bitch slapped by Tool.
Oh, fuck, no! Oh, so this is you doing the nail thing.
When he does the bitch slap, you gotta jump over it.
Watch out!
Jump. Don't rock into it. Jump.
Got him, man!
Good. Now get me to the other side.
Let those crows go!
Nice!
Alright, get ready for it to be a little harder.
It gets harder? No, I don't like this! No! Eat my ass! How are we supposed to... I am genuinely confused as to what we're supposed to do against this thing.
No kidding!
Dodge it until it tries to bitch slap us again.
Oh god, it's fucking arms free. That's great.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, shoot at it. Alright, get me across. Come on, Beelzebub.
Got it.
Hey, now.
Fuck you and fuck your arm. What? Why did she become a fucking kung fu master? Am I supposed to shoot that thing?
Nope.
Oh, no. I dislike.
Alright, it's gonna try to pancake us.
No.
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Get on it. Shoot it.
Oh,
Shoot
shit.
it.
No! Why? Why is this toolbox so proficient in the art of murder?
Now it's pancake time.
No. Ah, ready. Cool. That's fine.
Alright, get on it. Too
Oh,
late.
shit. Not more of this. No!
We're running out of real estate here!
Yeah, I noticed. Ah!
Finish off that spray can.
I got two in this time instead of just one. No, fuck! Stay alive! Stay alive! Stay alive!
Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive.
Alright, get on it.
I get it! Fuck yeah! Fuck you, Thule! Hey, you! Hey, you and everything you stand for, fucking Thule! In my ass!
For this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles.
Hard insertion.
It's us! Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
No!
This asshole! I hate this book. This book can go to hell.
You love the book and you know it.
Fuck that book. Alright, that's enough of that. I've had enough.
Not enough?
Ah!
Did you have fun though?
That was fun.
I gotta tell you, the story is good, isn't it, too?
Yeah, the story is really good. I just suck at video games and get easily frustrated.
You'll hear a heavenly tune, the wind of that devil because the jazz band started picking it, put a drink in it, a jazzy kick in it. They've got a couple of old reformers in heaven, making them go to bed at 11.